Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Paris. First, understand the extensive network of metro, bus, and tram lines. The metro is perfect for getting around the city center quickly, with 16 lines reaching nearly every corner. For longer journeys to the suburbs or airports, the RER commuter trains are your best option. Buses and trams offer scenic routes and complement the rail network, providing excellent coverage throughout the city and surrounding areas. Navigating Paris's public transport is straightforward with the right tools. I highly recommend using navigation apps like Citymapper or Bonjour Rat for real-time updates and the best routes. Once you're in a station, follow the clear signage for metro and RER lines, which will guide you to your platform and exits. Remember, it's crucial to validate your ticket or pass when you enter the system, particularly on buses and trams, to avoid any penalties. When it comes to tickets, you have several options. A single T-Plus ticket costing about €2.15 is valid for one journey across most transport types. For frequent travelers, buying a carnet of 10 T-Plus tickets offers a small saving, priced at around €17.35. If you're staying for a week or more, the Navigo Découverte Pass is excellent value, providing unlimited travel for approximately €30 per week. To make your experience even smoother, try to travel during off-peak hours to avoid the busiest times, particularly on the most popular metro lines. Always keep your ticket handy until you've completely exited the station, as you might need it to pass through turnstiles or for inspection. And hey, if you're looking for some great financial wisdom, consider checking out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. Don't forget to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals to enhance your trip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.